Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So the candidates who are looking for the government job as well as the private job notifications, so please subscribe the channel, share, like and comment the videos. And in this video we are going to see the assistant master as well as the master gazetted and the TGT and the PRT vacancies notification from the two different schools, and out of that one the one is the Rashtriya military schools, guys. And here you are going to get the salary from 20,000 rupees per month to 30,000 rupees per month, and from all over the India you may apply from any state. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos or the notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two different school recruitment notifications. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is official website of the Rashtriya military schools, and in this official website, if you scroll down in the news page, okay, you may check down, click here for RMS child walk-in interview for the post of teachers on a contractual basis. So if you click on that one, and then you will be directed to this in detailed PDF notification, guys. So just the two pages are there, and we will see regarding the recruitment notification and what are different subjects are there. So it is a Rashtriya military school from Chair HP. So it is a residential English medium public school under Ministry of Defence and affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. And there is a walk-in interview for the post of teachers on a contractual basis. So whoever the interested candidates fulfilling the qualifications and experience are requested to report to the school morning 10 o'clock on 7th December 2021 with the biodata duly affixed with the recent passport size photo and other testimonials for interview for the following teaching post. And coming to the subjects here, Master Gazetted. The subjects are biology, English, maths, geography. And coming to the assistant master, history, art and painting and chemistry. These are the subjects, guys. And qualifications, coming to the master gazetted, master's degree and a B.Ed from the recognized university in the respective subjects with at least 50% of marks. And coming to the assistant master, graduation and B.Ed from the recognized university in a respective subjects with at least 50% of marks. Okay, the teaching experience for the master's gazetted is minimum 2 years in the senior secondary level, and for the assistant master is 2 years in the secondary level. And coming to the salary for the master gazetted is 30,000 rupees per month. It is a consolidated. Why? Because it is a contractual based vacancies. And for the assistant master it is 20,000 rupees per month consolidated. Okay, so the same thing is also mentioned here. And the candidates who are interested and eligible candidates are there. You may just attend the walk-in interview, guys. And if you are having any queries regarding this one, so go to the official website and search for the contact them. Okay, so click on the contact us, and whatever the contact number it is showing here, so once call to them and clarify your queries regarding this walk-in interview. Okay, and coming to the second school notification, what I wanted to show you is that it is RKS public school CBSE, guys, from Nagpur. There is a walk-in interview, academic coordinator, graduate or postgraduate degree with B.Ed, having best administrative and excellent communication skill, versatile personality with knowledge of CBSE guidelines. And coming to the TGT's BA or MA, so history and geology, Sanskrit, Hindi with B.Ed, BSc or MSc, Marathi, physics, chemistry, biology with B.Ed. And coming to the PRT, all subject, okay, BA or BSc, D.Ed or B.Ed with general teaching subject at primary level, having the innovative pedagogical methods. And coming to the specialist here, art, craft, music, dance, physical education, computer teacher, counselor vacancies are there. So those who have pursued their entire schooling through English medium should come along with the handwritten application form and the original documents. And the date of interview is 28th November 2021. That is on Sunday, tomorrow morning 10 o'clock. And here the contact numbers are also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact this any one of these numbers, guys. Okay. So total these are the two different school recruitment notifications, and I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those subjects and looking for such type of notifications. So to get the more videos or the notifications from my side, so subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon.